Hey guys, welcome back to Tech with Joseph. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Samsung Galaxy A57. We'll cover the design, display, performance, cameras, battery life, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's get started. Design and build. Starting with the design. The Samsung Galaxy A57 comes with Samsung's signature minimalist look. The flat frame design, slim profile, and premium finish make it feel much more expensive than its actual price. The camera lenses are individually placed on the back, giving it that flagship Galaxy S series appearance. Display. On the front, the Galaxy A57 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, better animations, and an overall more responsive experience. The display is bright, colorful, and perfect for watching YouTube videos, browsing social media, gaming, and streaming your favorite movies. Performance. Powering the Galaxy A57 is Samsung's Exynos processor, paired with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage options. In everyday use, the phone handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, switching between applications is smooth, and even demanding games perform surprisingly well at medium to high settings. Cameras. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Galaxy A57 is equipped with a 5-MP main camera, supported by additional sensors for ultra-wide and depth photography. Photos captured in daylight are sharp, detailed, and vibrant. Samsung's image processing delivers rich colors that look great straight out of the camera. For selfies, the front camera produces clear and natural-looking photos, making it excellent for social media and video calls. Battery. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 5000 mAh battery. With moderate usage, this phone can easily last an entire day and often stretches into the next day. The device also supports fast charging, helping you get back to full power quickly when needed. Software. The Galaxy A57 runs Samsung's latest One UI software based on Android. The software experience is smooth, clean, and packed with useful features. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software and security updates, making this phone a great long-term investment. And that's my full review of the Samsung Galaxy A57. Let me know in the comments if you'd buy this phone or if you're considering another device. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech content. Thanks for watching Tech with Joseph, and I'll see you in the next one.